What if some people are vegan?
Then they don't watch this video.
Oh no, they can make it out of bananas. Welcome to our YouTube channel called Baking with BFFs.
I'm Anaya.
I'm Siobhan and we're from India.
And we love to bake and we want to share our love with you guys. Things you will need are 2 blocks of Maud dark chocolate, 1 packet of NutriChoice biscuits, powdered, some butter, cupcake tins, and a bowl and a spoon.
So we have to melt the butter.
Now it's completely melted and now we can take it and cook with it.
So you have to dump this all in and then take your butter and add it gradually and mix it.
It shouldn't be like a dough, but it should, when you scrape your spoon across it, it should feel a little bit powdery. But it should also be able to mold into a good shape. When you're done with that, you just need to take a tiny bit and put it down here. Of course, you need more than this, but you know, just take a bit, put it down, kind of spread it across. Take these and you need to put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're just gonna put the base into the oven. So it's going into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and for 10 minutes. Same pan I used for the butter, and I did not wash it because, you know, it's okay because it's just butter. Just adding a little bit of milk, and I'm just gonna mix that.
So we just melted it, and also we put milk in it, and until we got this beautiful, silky, nice consistency.
So we finished making the tarts. Now if you just put your finger in it gently, you can see that it's like, it kind of just sinks in. That's the perfect what we want.
Now we just have to put a dollop of chocolate now.
We filled up the chocolate over the base, but we had a little bit of extra chocolate and a little bit of extra space, so we just filled these 3 with the plain chocolate. Okay, now we gotta pop these in the fridge.
We just took them out of the fridge, and now we're going to put some whipped cream on them. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe. You have to subscribe or otherwise I'll kill you.
And thank you, Jenna, for recording all the footage for this video. Bye bye.
Bye.